Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming tools and safety. This matters because incorrect range or dirty pins give false readings. Set your multimeter to DC voltage on the 20V range and connect the red probe to V and black to COM. Once probes are ready, visually inspect the USB-C port for debris or bent pins and power the device off so you don't short anything. Now position a breakout or a cable so you can access the connector pins for the next step. Next, you verify power delivery and configuration channels to determine functionality. Touch the red probe to V-bus and black to ground. You should see about 5V for standard USB or higher voltages if power delivery negotiated. This tells you whether the source is supplying correct voltage. Then probe CC1 and CC2 to detect pull resistors. One will show a voltage, while the other may be idle. Make sure to record which pin corresponds. Finish by confirming continuity and isolating faults so you can act on them confidently. Use the ohms or continuity setting to check ground to ground and V-bus to ground for shorts. Low resistance indicates a short circuit. If you see no voltage, plug in a verified good charger and cable to determine whether the cable or port is at fault. Once done, wiggle the cable gently while observing readings. If values jump or the device heats, you have an intermittent or damaged port. Clean or replace it accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.